Good day. Today I'm going to talk about my goals for this year, 2026, why they are important and how I plan to achieve them. These goals are important to me because I always get my life based on five priorities: my relation with God, myself, my family, the service to God, and secular matters. The first goal, and this is my biggest goal, is my relation with God, because this is the foundation for achieving all the other goals. I will achieve this by getting up much early in morning to do my devotional time, is which I extreming my relation with God. The second goal is to take care of my physical health because I have neglected my diet for 24 years. This is very important to me because I am overweight and I have to teach my children excellent eating habits and the best what to do. This is by example. I plan to fulfill this goal by regularly eating salads, a lot fruits, and vegetables. And going to the gym 14 a week. My three goals is to spend more quality time with my wife and my children. Fortunately, they are people God has entrusted to me good, care for, and enjoy my life with them. I plan to achieve setting aside 2 days each month just for the two of us, and be dedicating time each day to talk and ask each other how were and how they went. My fourth goal is to resume doing volunteer work on a month without neglect helping others. Honestly, I like this because the Bible says that when we help those who are hungry, thirsty, naked, or sick, we are helping Jesus. I plan to do this by finding people who have needs and helping in any way I can to meet them. My five goals is to graduate with my degree in mechatronics engineering. This is very important to me because I have been studying since 2019 and I should have finished my studies by now. I plan to actually finish my English course, completing a seminar as my graduation option, and taking my university exams. These are my goals for 2026. Thank you very much.